Welcome back, dear students. We have an amazing pictures. First of all, I would go on that tools options. Here I would apply that crop free options. Like that thing have been done on it. Now in the same way I could also rotate the image, like it could be rotated in that way from here to there, and that is looking like that one. So dear students, here we could also bring some other changes, like we could apply that beautiful hair color options on it. So here we could apply these kinds of hair color, and I have to select that one. Now we could apply that detail options on her face, which is going to be looks like that.